There's one paving company that's known for exceeding expectations.
We work hard, we're trustworthy.
We all work together for one common goal.
We do what we say we're going to do.
And I think a lot of it has to do with trust.
A strong sense of teamwork.
Great people working for a great boss.
It's going to get done on time. It'll be a quality project, and I think that's why they use us.
We are solid in our principles. We know who we are.
Today, the future is riding on Ajax. Since 1951, Ajax Paving Industries has been a family-owned company at the top of their industry. Ajax has always prided itself on original thinking, family values, customer trust, and satisfaction. The measure of today's success falls on the shoulders of company founder Herbert H. Jacob and his legacy of innovation.
Even though he was conservative, he liked to play out of the box. And those are the kind of people that gravitated to this company.
In 1981, Mike Horan took the challenge of expanding Ajax operations from Michigan to Florida.
And they sent me an old asphalt plant they had mothballed up in Michigan. One of our longtime people from Michigan, a guy by the name of Gator Patrick, called me up and said, "Hey, if you're going to Florida, I want to go with you." So I said, "I'd love to have you." He came down, helped me start the business, and that's how we got going. We went and hired people and started our first job, and we've been going ever since.
Through the years, Ajax focused on quality, safety, and profitability, always delivering what they promised.
And I think it's all about values and making sure that what we put out there just is in line with what we've always done. And so I think that kind of sets us apart. We're not some big corporation. We're still just Ajax Paving, owned by the Jacob family, and we still value what people think of us.
For 6 decades, Ajax has held those core values sacred.
We want to be the employer of choice. We want to be the contractor of choice. And of course, as a business, we want to make a consistent, repeatable profit. And the culture is that as a team, we think about those things.
As a testament to customer confidence, when the state of Florida set out on the biggest road project in its history, an interstate widening called IROX, they chose Ajax. Expectations were high, but Ajax hires the best crews and the sharpest minds in order to lay down the smoothest surfaces in the shortest amount of time.
That particular job, IROX, is a $430 million job, got 28 bridges on it, 60 miles of road to build and shoulders. When you get large jobs, it does separate the men from the boys.
It was Ajax's people who set records on the IROX project for quality and speed. It's Ajax's unique corporate culture and mission focus that assures them a place at the top of their industry.
We hope that people choose us. We feel that our largest client, the Department of Transportation, is measurably satisfied. They grade us on a performance rating scale, and our goal is usually to meet or exceed 100%, which we've been able to do.
Nights like these are made for paving.
Big train, we call it a paving train.
I love the smell.
Black velvet, they call it.
I've been waiting for this all night.
The Florida air is cooler than usual, and a team of Ajax workers are anxious to lay down 3 miles of new road before sunrise.
Tracked out from where we're at, times 12.5, get square yard.
I think that we are the leader in the industry around here. Mike Horan has given us all the tools.
Amid the most state-of-the-art equipment and procedures, it's the human element that sets Ajax apart.
Everywhere we go, I throw a penny out and we pave over. And so I leave my money spread out all over the state.
We have superintendents, foremen that have been paving over 20 plus years. They know how to lay asphalt. They know how to lay it with correct density. So when they pick Ajax, they know they got the best in the industry.
Ajax uses their minds and mouths months before they employ their muscles out in the field.
Because everybody knows what the blueprint for success is. It's kind of built itself into the culture, in that we looked at every job from the history of the previous job, and then later we would look at how those things went and learn from those and apply that to the next job.
And so there's a lot of communication. It's kind of a communication, getting into the details, finding the pitfalls, opportunities of a job, making sure everybody knows exactly how that particular job was bid.
Even as Ajax is bidding a project, they're already figuring out ways to do it better using value engineering.
Value engineering is the process in which you review all the information available, the plans, the specification. You're looking for places where maybe the design could be refined a little bit in a way that you can save them some money.
So I want to just give you a little bit of background. So things have been going on between March 4th and maybe even before that and today to put things in place to set you guys up.
Before any ground is broken on a project, the team gets to know each other,
My name is Steve Jones. I'm with Protective Barrier.
hash out their roles, and find ways to resolve problems before they pop up in the field. While Ajax has made a name for itself as an accomplished paving project management company, their asphalt manufacturing plants are the beating heart of the operation.
Our plant 1, our first plant is in Venice, Florida. Second plant is down in Fort Myers, just in Charlotte County in North Fort Myers. Our plant 3 is located at Port Manatee, up in Manatee County. Our plant 4 is in Alico Road in Fort Myers and Lee County. Our plant 5 is in Pasco County, Odessa. And our plant 6 is our newest plant, and that's in Tampa, near Port of Tampa. They're all about 25 to 30 miles apart, starting from the north end, coming on down south. We're in probably 3 different market areas, one being the Tampa, St. Pete market area. Second one would be Sarasota, Bradenton, Port Charlotte market area. And then the other one would be Fort Myers, Collier County, Naples market area.
It's always going, always something happening here. Have a material coming in and mix going out.
Both Ajax-owned trucks and outside contractors load up constantly with a wide variety of asphalt mixes.
You can put the best asphalt plant out here, you can put the most innovative, the most modern plant, and if you don't have the right people, it doesn't make any difference. We got the right people in the right places, making the right decisions.
Recycled asphalt and other aggregates are measured out and mixed in perfect proportions.
And we test above and beyond what the specifications call for because we want to know we have a problem ahead of time.
Ajax plants deliver a quality product while reducing emissions, maintaining the high standards of environmental protection. While keeping the sky clean, Ajax eyes are fixed primarily on the ground, keeping client after client satisfied with a smooth, durable surface.
See, we're confident what the owner's going to get when he contracts to do business with us because we've always completed our work. We've always had it. In the end, now sometimes it hasn't been easy. In the end, it was done right.
If you ask them how the asphalt is, they're going to tell you it's like black velvet. And I says, hey, if it's black velvet, who did this job? They'll say Ajax Paving.
Black velvet. Smooth and solid surfaces. Devised, managed, and constructed by a group that has always set out to do things faster and better, to exceed expectations.
We're not happy being just who we are. We want to continually improve each day.
Customers don't have problems with us. We keep our commitments, and we do what we say we're going to do. That's why people ought to be using us, because that's the company that we have.
The contractor of choice, employer of choice, creating consistent, repeatable profits. That's Ajax. Year after year, mile after mile, the future is riding on Ajax.